Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure both devices are on, charged, and in range. This prevents wasted time. Once done, turn Bluetooth off and on to clear transient radio states and restart the app or system service managing connections. While you wait for reboots, check for visible pairing prompts and clear any stale pairings on the target device so you don't attempt redundant links. Doing these immediate actions first isolates simple causes fast and sets the stage for deeper troubleshooting if pairing still fails. You next dive into system-level checks. Update the operating system and Bluetooth drivers to fix known protocol bugs. Also update firmware on the accessory. Once updated, remove previous pairings and, if available, clear the Bluetooth cache or reset the adapter to eliminate corrupted state. Use built-in logs or vendor diagnostic apps to capture errors. This reveals authentication or profile mismatches. If you see service conflicts, disable other wireless radios temporarily to pinpoint RF interference before moving to final corrective steps. You finish by attempting a controlled pairing. Put the accessory in explicit discoverable mode, enter the correct PIN or confirm passkey, and accept any profile permissions. If it still fails, test the accessory with a different phone or computer to determine whether the problem is the host or the peripheral. Only when isolated and necessary, perform a factory reset on the accessory. Make sure you've noted settings. If issues persist, one key tip: record error messages or log timestamps. Support teams can resolve problems much faster with that data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.